Hi everybody, welcome to my channel. My name is Aaron. That's my daughter Lily. It's good to see her from the light. Anyways, we are out here. It's a beautiful night out here in Northern Cali, you know. We're washing my car. We finished washing it, but I'm going to show you how to dry a car off in like 30 seconds. I used to detail cars for a living, painted cars for a living, detail cars for a living. This is my whip here. As you can see, it's got the studs on it and things. So we're going to get it rinsed off and get it dried off and show you how quick I can dry this car off. Okay. So here we go, getting this bad boy rinsed off. Let's change the setting on this bad boy. 3 or 4 different settings on this thing. Wind's blowing in my face and everything. Get all that soap off of there. I like to try to get the underneath of the carriage as much as possible. Got to make sure these custom wheels are rinsed off well. It's your custom Pep Boy wheel right there. Okay, as you can see, the majority of the washing is done. We did the soap, which required the wand. So we've got the wand here we used, fill that with soap, works great. And I got my helper. And we also used the bucket with the brush. And we got the wet shine car wash. Anyways, like I said, the majority of the car wash is done. I'm going to show you how to dry this car off in about 30 seconds. Here we are getting to the meat and potatoes of the video. First, I like to put those windshield wipers up. Okay, so once the windshield wipers are up, okay, start the countdown. Are y'all ready? Here we go. Okay, that towel, you got to stretch that towel over the top, right? All the way to the other side. The wind isn't helping me. I don't know how long. I don't have a timer set, but this is how I'm doing it. I get that whole side, one swipe. Look at that. One swipe.
And me.
Come around the back. We come this way. We come over to this side. Right, so basically getting the whole top of the car like so.
I can see my face.
I come back like this.
Hi, Dad.
Come around the front. Dry off that front, and then the windshield. Okay, that's it. How much time did that take me? I'm done. Next car. Like and subscribe. Love y'all. Peace and love. Like and subscribe.